We're still on section 7.4. We're going to continue it today. And we are going to rewrite this function so it's in this form. And it's a review. We've done it before. So let's do it with long division. What do I multiply x by to get 3x? 3. Good. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. And then we have to subtract, right? So when you subtract, you have to change the signs. We're going to circle it to make sure we did that. 3x minus 3x. 5 minus 3. 2. And what is that? It's our remainder. So it's going to be 2 over x plus 1. And then this 3, we're going to put it here at the end, because that's the rewriting of it. Now the last part of this that we may or may not talked about is to describe the transformation. So looking at this, what does this part say? Good. So it's going to be going up 3. Okay, look at this one. Remember, it's the opposite. So it's going to be going to the left 1. We are now doing complex fractions in section 7.4. So this is just a giant division sign. So it's one fraction divided by another fraction. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can go ahead and rewrite it from the beginning. Okay, so here's one way. We'll just do it the first way. So I'm going to write over here 5 over x plus 4. And remember, with fractions, the division changes to multiplication, and then you're going to have to flip this over. Now, before you even flip this over, I'm going to do the work over here to find the common denominator. So before I flip it over. All right, so that's a 2. What is this missing that this one has? X plus 4. And what is this one missing that the other one has? X. And remember, we'll put parentheses in here to kind of trap it. Okay. So we know that this common denominator is x over x plus 4. Don't distribute it. Leave it factored. We might when we get to cancel it out. Now we're going to simplify this. This is x plus, distribute it, 2x plus 8. Good. So this simplifies to 3x plus 8 over x times x plus 4. Okay, so this is the denominator right here. This is the denominator, already simplified. So now we're going to bring it over here. I had to change my division to multiplication, and then what am I going to do with this? I'm going to reciprocal it, flip it. So what's on top? X times x plus 4, forgot the parentheses, all over 3x plus 8. Beautiful. I love it. Because when it's multiplication, what can I cancel out? That's pretty satisfying. X plus 4. Okay, so now let's simplify it again. So this is going to be 5x over 3x plus 4. And remember, where's my 8?
On the top.
Oh, 3x plus 8. Oh, I wrote 4, huh? My bad. Thank you. And remember, this is a monomial and this is a binomial, so we can't simplify it. That's the fully simplified version. And let me just simplify the numerator first. So knowing that the common denominator is 6, I already know that. This one stays x, and what does this one become? 2x. Because I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this first. I know that the common denominator here is going to be 10. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 over 2. So the denominator here is going to be 10, and this is going to be 2x minus 7. All right. Now that I have that, let's do the numerator. 6. X minus 2x is negative x. And I can go ahead and flip it now that it's a single fraction. So it's 10 over 2x minus 7. All right, where can we reduce? Simplify. 10 and 6. Okay, this becomes 3. This becomes 5. Okay. So now we'll multiply it. Negative 5x over 3 times 2x minus 7. Do not distribute the 3. I would leave it like that. Everything in fully factored form. Okay, let's do number 11. So notice I'm not going to even rewrite the problem because it's here. What do I need to multiply this 4 by? X over x. Good. Because that's really over 1. Okay, so it's all going to be over x. This is going to be 2 minus 4x. Okay, so let me slow down a little bit. This 4 whole number is really 4 over 1. So I want to see what is this missing that this one has, which is an x. Okay, so x over x. So now I have 2 minus 4x. All right, so same thing here. Let's look at this whole number 3.
Is that a fraction, the 2 over x?
Yes, I just combined it into one. Oh, this one?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, yeah, it's a fraction. My bad. That's the textbook. All right, so this is over 1. So what do I need to multiply this by? X over x. So before I flip it, just because I'm a little messy and I want to stay kind of neat, I'm going to draw my long fraction bar here. I know that my denominator is going to be x. And what's my numerator? 2 plus 3x. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite this. 2 minus 4x over x times x over 2 plus 3x. Yay. Okay, so what reduces? The x's. Anything else? No, not the 2's, because remember, they're binomials and they're trapped in there. That's it. Okay, go ahead and do number 12.